Hello friends, let's move on to sub question 3. 2 women and 5 men can together finish the embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone to finish the work. So whatever being asked us to find, I have assumed work time taken for 1 woman to complete the work as X days and time taken by 1 man to finish the work as Y days. So here the days or the time is measured in terms of days in the given question. So I have assumed it as X days and Y days. So for 1 woman it takes X days. Then for 1 day, number of women required for work in a day. How many women are required? See, for 1 woman, X days to complete the work. For 1 day, how many women? Let us assume this as in alphabet A. So do the cross multiplication. A into X equals to 1. That implies A equals to 1 by X men. So number of women required for work in a day is nothing but 1 by X men. So 1 by X women. So 1 by X women are required for work in a day. In the same way, number of men required for work in a day. Same way. So how much it becomes? It becomes 1 by Y men. So same. So for 1 man it takes Y days. So for 1 day how many men are required? So it becomes again 1 by Y men. So 2 women and 5 men together finish the work in 4 days. So write the same thing down. 2 women and 5 men completes in 4 days. Correct. So 2 men and 5 men completes work in 4 days. So work done by 2 women and 5 men in work done by 2 women and 5 men in a day equals to 1 by 4. Clear? So if it takes for 4 days for the completion of work, for 1 day it takes 1 by 4th of the work. Correct? In the same way, so here work done by 2 men and 5 men in a day will be 1 by 4. So we have written this. After that, work done by 2 women in a day. So work done by 2 women. So for 1 day we have calculated for by work done by 2 women in a day. So what did we calculate? For 1 day, how many women are required? 1 by X women. So total number of women will be, for 1 woman it takes X days. For 1 day it takes 1 by X women. So work done by 2 women in a day will be what? It will be written as 2 into. So number of women, right? 2 into 1 by X. To calculate the X as 2 by X will be the number of work done by 2 women in a day. So 2 by X. Okay. And the next one, work done by 5 men in a day. So work done by 5 men in a day. So here 1 day 1 by 1 men are required. So for 5 men means what? 5 into 1 by Y, that is equals to 5 by Y. Okay. Work done by 5 men in a day will be 5 by Y. So how can we make it equated this? 2 by X plus 5 by y. What is 2 by x plus 5 by y? Work done by 2 women and 5 men can be written as 2 by x plus 5 by y. So work done by 2 men and 5 men in a day is already 1 by 4. This is in a day, right? So consider this as equation 2, this as equation 1. Let us make it equated, these two equations. What do we'll get? We'll get 2 by x plus 5 by y equals to what? 1 by 4. Clear? In the same way, write that for second situation also. Let us see what is the second situation. Second situation is 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So, number of days equals to how many days? In how many days the work will be done by 3 women and 6 men? It is given 3 days. Right? Number of days equals to 3 days. So, next step, what can we write? So, in 3 days, the entire work will be done by 3 women and 6 men. So, work done by 3 women and 6 men in a day. See, in 3 days, entire work will be done. So, here for 1 day, I am writing the work done as 1 by 3. I am assuming that same work is done in all over the 3 days. So, for 1 day, 1 by 3 will be the work done. So, here again, in the next step, work done by 3 women in a day equals to, can be written as, so in the previous step we have learned that for 1 woman, if it is x days, for 1 day how many women means we have written it as 1 by x women. So for 3 women means it will become 3 into 1 by x will be the work done in a day. So 3 by x women. So same way, work done by 6 men in a day. So what will be the work done by 6 women in a day? Can be written as 6 into 1 by y. Same we have learnt it from the previous situation. This is second scenario. In the first scenario we did it. The same way we have to do the second scenario also. This will become 6 by y. So total work done by 3 women, total work done by 3 women and 6 men equals to how much? 3 by x plus 6 by y in a day. This is for what we are doing in a day. In a day it will be 3 by x plus 6 by y. Put this as equation 4 and put this 1 by 3 as equation 3. So when you see work done by 3 women and 6 men in a day is 1 by 3, work done by 3 women and 6 men in a day is 3 by x plus 6 by y. So comparing these two are equal. So let us make it equated of equation 3 with equation 4. What do we get? 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to how much? Equals to how much? It is 1 by 3. Right. So we got this equation. So previously this is the equation we got it for second scenario. Let us write whatever the equations we got it for first scenario and second scenario. So first scenario equation will write and second scenario equation also will write. So first second scenario equation is 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 1 by 3. Let us write the first scenario. What is first scenario? So first scenario is 2 by x plus 5 by y equals to 1 by 4. Correct. So here these, let us send 4 to the left hand side and 3 to the left hand side. What do the equations become? 4 2s are 8 by x plus 4 5s are 20 by y equals to 1. Here I am writing directly. In the exam you please try to elaborate it. So again 3 3s are 9 by x plus 3 6 are 18 by y equals to 1. So these two are the equations. Now put these equations as equation 5 and this as equation 6. So again what will we assume? 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Let 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. What do we get? 8a plus 20b equals to 1. 8a plus 20b equals to 1. Again second one, 9a plus 18b equals to 1. 9a plus 18b equals to 1. Let us solve these two equations. So when you see here, the coefficients are not same. So here I am taking comparing coefficients of a. Here it is 8 and here it is 9. So both do not have any common factors except 1. So let us find the LCM for 8 and 9. So LCM of 8 and 9 will be like 8 comma 9 it becomes. So 9 is 72 it will be. Okay. So for coefficient of a to become 72, multiply the equation with 9, and coefficient of 9a to become 72, multiply with 8. Let us multiply with the equations. Let's see what do we get. 9 is 72, a plus 20 into 9. It becomes 180, b equals to 9. Again here 9 is 72, a plus 18 is 144, b equals to 8. So let's do subtraction. So when you do subtraction, what do we get? 72 will be cancelled off. It becomes 36b equals to 1. That implies b equals to 1 by 36. So we got b value as 1 by 36. Put the b value in equation 8. Put b equals to 1 by 36 in 8. What do we get? 9a plus 18 into 1 by 36 equals to 1. So 1s are 2s, so that implies 9a equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. 9a equals to 1 by 2. A equals to 1 by 18. So a value we got as 1 by 18 and b value we got as 1 by 36. So what did we assume? So we assume 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b, right? So therefore x equals to, what is x will be 18. X will be 18 and y will be what? 36. So what is x and y? We assumed x as, what did we assume? X as number of days taken by one woman is 18 days. Number of days taken by one man alone is 36 days. So write it as, here I am writing conclusion. Therefore number of days for one woman to complete work equals to x equals to how many days? Equals to, what is the value of x here? X is 18 days equals to x equals to 18 days. 18 days. In the same way, therefore number of men number of days for one man to finish work equals to how much? Y equals to 36 days. Correct? It is 36 days. So this is the conclusion. Number of days for one woman to complete the work is 18 days and number of days for one man to finish the work is 36 days. I'll explain this to you again in a short. So first I have assumed that the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work as x days and time taken by one man alone to finish the work as y days. So for x days one woman means for one day 1 by x woman. So again for one day 1 by y woman. So after that let's calculate for the first scenario. 2 women and 5 men completes in 4 days. Means work done in a single day it will be 1 by 4. So work done by 2 women can be written as 2 into 1 by x, 2 by x. Work done by 5 men can be written as 5 into 1 by y, 5 by y. So here work done by 2 women and 5 men in a single day. It becomes 2 by x plus 5 by y, and 1 and 2 equations will be equal. So from this we can frame an equation 2 by x plus 5 by y equals to 1 by 4. Okay. After that, let's move on to the second scenario. What is second scenario? Second scenario is nothing but 3 women and 8 men and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So number of days they have given is 3. Work done by 3 women and 6 men in a single day, it becomes 1 by 3. Work done by 3 women in a day, 3 into 1 by x, it becomes 3 by x. Work done by 6 men in a day, 6 into 1 by y, it becomes 6 by y. So work done by 3 women and 6 men in a day, it becomes 3 by x plus 6 by y. So when you compare, equation 3 and 4 will be equal. So let us make it equated. 3 by x plus 6 by y equals to 1 by 3. So let us write the equations. This and the previous page what we got. So both two equations I have written at a place. After that, let me on the right hand side, let us put it in a proper fractions. So I have sent this 4 to the left hand side. I have multiplied 4 with 4 into 2 by x, 4 into 5 by y. I have written this in directly. Okay, 4 into 2 it becomes 8 by x, 4 into y it becomes 20 by y. 8 by x plus 20 by y equals to 1. Again this also 3 into 3, 9 by x, 3 into 6, 18 by y. 9 by x plus 18 by y equals to 1. So from this we got the two equations. Here I have written directly, but in the exam you have to write it step by step. Okay. So here solving these two equations, we have done like this kind of problem before. Assume 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. So we'll get these two equations. Assume it, put it as equation 7 and equation 8. So solve these two equations. I have used elimination method. So from this you'll get b value. After that, substituting b value in either of the equation 7 or 8, you'll get the value of a. So what is a? We have assumed a as 1 by x and b as 1 by y. So from these two we'll get x values as 18 and 36. What are x and y? X is nothing but number of days for women to complete work is x days, that is equals to 18 days. Number of days required for a man to finish the work is y days, that is equals to 36 days. So this is the solution. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.